Cool. We have a video to shoot today. We're talking about Shopify as always. So we need to move this title to the top of the page when viewing the product page on the mobile. How do we do that? At the moment, you see the product title is here. We want to move it up here. How do you do that? Okay. Quick video, no fluff. As always, let's get right into it. Okay, so we head over here. This to make these changes, we're going to have to get into the Shopify. We're going to have to get into the Shopify dashboard. Wait for the page to load a little bit. So right here, head into themes. You click on themes. Then you head. You see, it should say current theme. So you head over here, click those buttons, edit code, and then you see the code over there. Sections is the area you need to be in. These sections right here. Scroll down, look for main products. Look for main products right here. I said main product.liquid. You should have the extension of .liquid always, not JSON. .liquid. In main product, I've got some instructions over here. I'll leave the link in the description of this video. That's my blog, and you can get all this code from there. Remember, you can get the code from there and just copy for all the way from styles up here, style, then go down until this H1 tag right here. Copy that, okay. See if I can copy. Okay, and right there, it's a copy, and then get back here, and here we are going to look for this keyword right here, product. You copy that, copy this first, okay. Product dash media wrapper. Okay, sorry for the confusion. Get back over here, press Ctrl F, find, then you paste that keyword over there, click enter, and right here you'll notice this line here that says product.media. So right under that div, make some space for the next changes we're going to be making. Head back over here to my blog, copy the styles, copy the styles right here, all the way down to the H1 tag. Then head back over here, and you need to just paste them there. Paste them. You can either right click and say paste, or Ctrl V, then save. Really easy. Then you get back to, wait for it to save. Then you get back to your page, and when we resize to the mobile size, you see that's not where we want our title to be. Okay, then we refresh. You notice the title is up here, and we've got our description, everything else down here. That's about it. Really, it's very simple. It's not rocket science. You just have to remember, start with this blog post right here, okay. I'll leave the link in the description before. You want the title to be right above here. What you do, you go first thing first in your dashboard, themes, actions, edit code. Okay, one more time. Theme, actions, edit code. Click on themes. Find the current theme. In our case, it's the updated copy of Dawn. Click those three buttons. Click edit code. Now, when you click edit code, there will be nothing here. Sections is where you need to be. Okay. Look for product, main product.liquid. Main-product.liquid right here. This one here. Okay. Then we head over here. Okay. What's the next thing here? The next instruction says find this keyword product dash dash media wrapper. Highlight that, copy that, head over to your main product.liquid, hit Control F or Command F if you're on Mac. Then you paste that keyword and simply press enter. Okay, you press enter. You'll find this div that has a class grid dash item product dash media wrapper. Make some space, boom boom. Here is where you go copy this code. Style, start from style. Okay, start from style. Scroll all the way down to the h1 tag, then you say copy. If I could just get that done. All right, cool. Say copy, then head over to your main product.liquid, right below the product media wrapper, then paste the code, which I've already done, and hit save. Hit save. Then go ahead and you'll see all the changes already made here. Okay, that's about it. Video shouldn't be any longer than it needs to. You can get these changes done on your own without any technical or coding knowledge. Something very, very simple. It shouldn't take anything more than 5 minutes. I hope you gain some knowledge from there. Hope you managed to solve your little problem. As always, if you have any questions, you can just message me directly, or you can find my email address right at the bottom of this blog post right there. Let me know if you need any help. I'm always happy to help. Cool. Cheers. Bye bye.